you said ambition to become a CEO. Parang meron siyang tatak sa puso ko that I wanted to speak about. It was never really an ambition. Becoming a CEO was never really a destination. Kasi when you say ambition, parang ang sasabihin mo lagi, who do I want to become? Ano yung gusto kong popularity na mangyari? How would people perceive me? Pero sa akin, for the last 20 years, or even when I started, that was never the end goal. Becoming a CEO was never an ambition. It was really a deeper calling. And when you put it that way, actually, no, kahit sa mga magsisimula, then becoming a CEO just becomes a platform for you to be able to touch more lives, to make a difference in people's lives, not just my employees, but also the people na kino-cover namin yung events. Sabi ko lagi, how privileged we are na nalagay kami sa posisyon, not just to take photos, anybody can do that, but to really be part of their lives, to be part of their families. Nabuksan nila yung buhay nila each and every time para maging parte kami ng buhay nila is something that you'll never take for granted. So, anyway, yun lang.
And I thank you.
Miss Universe, hello.